Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering off the switch and detaching the Joy-Con. This prevents active inputs and battery drain. Once done, remove the 4 tri-wing screws on the back because the shell must open to access the analog module. Make sure to keep screws organized by position. Small magnets or a labeled tray helps. Then gently pry the plastic halves using a plastic tool. Don't force clips, ease them to avoid breaking tabs. This gives access to the stick PCB you'll clean and adjust next. Now you'll disconnect the battery and ribbon to isolate the stick module. This prevents shorting and tells you exactly what's causing drift. Next, remove the analog stick module and clean around the pot with 90% plus isopropyl on a swab, rotating the stick while cleaning dislodges carbon dust. Once clean, check the plastic cap and internal spring for wear. Replace the module if the pot shows scoring or uneven resistance. Reseat everything carefully and test calibration before final reassembly. Put the shell back together and reconnect ribbons. Tighten screws snugly, but avoid over-tightening because stripped threads make future repairs harder. Once assembled, power on the switch and go to controllers and sensors to perform the calibration routine. Calibrating tells the system the neutral position and often cures residual offset. If drift remains after cleaning and calibration, replace the analog stick module. This is the only way if the potentiometer is physically worn. Troubleshoot by testing another Joy-Con to confirm whether the issue is module-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.